Hi, this is the video for Friday, September 17th. So my 2B class and my 3B class, you have slightly different instructions for today, but for the most part, it's the same. The difference is 2B, we didn't have a chance to do the STEM from Thursday. So if you're watching this video and you're in 2B, then please finish this STEM in your big Google Doc. Aya sings a lullaby because, but, so. My 3B students, you had enough time to do that in class, and so you might have already finished that. But one way or another, please make sure to do this STEM in your BGD for Thursday or Friday. There's no new STEM, so once that's done, you're done with the BGD for the week. What we did in class on Friday, other than that, was another poetry imitation using this poem, How to Write a Poem in a Time of War. So if you're watching this video, we started this idea yesterday. Basically, you'll get out your notebook, you'll open up this poem, and you're going to try to mimic the poem on your own. We just do a stanza at a time, and so we are going to call, for the sake of this argument today, the stanza the first 8 lines. So you'll just try to make a poem of your own that has this similar shape and stylistics. You can see how she starts with italics and then moves to this part of the line, and then aligns it back to the left, and then messes with spaces in between phrases. So we study the poem, which is all about an American Indians' experience in a war when people come to break up the tribe. And then we tried to imitate that on our own. Otherwise, in class, we went to our notebooks and we discussed the 2 Silko stories that we've read. So we made a chart, and I'll show you how to do that using the projector here. Hold on. Okay, so in your notebooks, which hopefully you have at home, you're going to set up a chart, and you can make it big on one page, where it takes up the whole page, where you write, it might be backwards on your screen, Mandus and Rain Clouds and Lullaby. Those are our 2 stories by Silko. And then across the top of this chart, you're going to write the words theme, setting and vocab, main idea, and journeys. And you try to fill it out the best you can on your own at home. We'll do that in class together, and then we'll check over what we did, and I can look at yours when you come back. Because we're trying to understand these differences between the stories as we move towards our project. Our project is going to be an essay where we write about these 2 stories and then a 3rd story. So for your homework today, just work on that chart in your notebook and do your best. If you get stuck, hold on to it, and we can talk about it when you get back.